Elephants are majestic giants of the animal kingdom, known for their immense size, intelligence, and strong social bonds. Native to Africa and Asia, these gentle herbivores are distinguished by their long trunks, large ears, and tusks made of ivory. Elephants use their trunks for a variety of tasks, including drinking, feeding, and social interactions. Highly intelligent, they exhibit complex behaviors such as empathy, memory, and problem solving. Sadly, elephants face significant threats from habitat loss and poaching for their tusks. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of elephants and the urgent efforts to protect these incredible creatures.
Thanks for your subscribe, like, and comment.